The RapidVac MKII backpack has been designed exclusively for RapidClean by CleanStar to be safe, reliable, easy to use, quiet and powerful. The RapidVac has 1,450 watts of power, generating 51 litres per second of airflow, which makes the RapidVac strong enough for the toughest jobs and a favourite amongst professional cleaners. An excellent safety feature on the RapidVac is the thermal cutoff system, which prevents overheating. The stylish RapidVac MKII backpack is made in Italy and comes with a clear lid to help see when the bag requires emptying. The lid can be easily swapped around, making it convenient for both left or right hand users. The RapidVac features 5 levels of filtration to trap dust particles, ensuring a healthier environment and added longevity to the vacuum itself. The synthetic dust bag sits inside the 6-litre metal reinforced cloth filter bag. Under that is the hospital-grade H14 HEPA filter, which offers 99.975% level of filtration, followed by the pre-motor filter, and then a foam exhaust filter for an extra layer of protection. The RapidVac also comes with a bonus extra cloth filter and packet of 5 disposable synthetic dust bags. A feature which improves reliability and reduces downtime is the short IEC lead, which neatly tucks away and connects to the premium 20-metre extension lead. This is secured by the cord restraint assembly, which prevents accidental disconnection whilst in use. User comfort was of the highest priority when designing the RapidVac. The padded 3-strap ergonomically designed support system provides comfort and evenly distributes weight. The harness is made from high-quality foam and breathable materials to safely secure the RapidVac with a strap clip across the chest and Velcro at the waist. To turn the RapidVac backpack on, the user simply flicks the illuminated on-off switch, which is conveniently located on the side of the unit. The German-made Wessel-Werk low-profile floor tool can be used on most surfaces, including carpets and hard floors, and is excellent for accessing those hard-to-reach places. The low-profile tool is connected to the backpack with a 2-piece lightweight aluminium extension rods secured into the commercial quality vacuum hose. Another excellent feature on the RapidVac MKII backpack is the exhaust deflector. This is very useful when vacuuming office spaces. It is located here at the base of the unit and directs the exhaust air up and away from any loose papers on desks. The RapidVac comes complete with a number of accessories, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and tool caddy, which can clip onto the rods for easy storage. The RapidVac is one of the lightest commercial backpacks on the market and weighs in at only 4.7 kilograms. Another outstanding feature is the sound rating on the RapidVac, which operates at just 60 decibels, making it the quietest commercial backpack vacuum on the market. The RapidVac MKII backpack, along with our comprehensive range of spare parts and accessories, are readily available from RapidClean stores throughout Australia. Please visit www.rapidclean.com.au.